1. High-end makeup brands. I used to spend a fortune on high-end foundations, eyeshadows, and lipsticks, thinking they'd transform me into a supermodel. But you know what? I found that many generic brands work just as well, if not better. These days, I opt for affordable alternatives that give me the same results without breaking the bank. 2. Hair dye. I used to love dyeing my hair at home, thinking I was saving money compared to salon visits. But let's be real. How many times did I end up with patchy, uneven color or stained bathroom tiles? Now I've embraced my natural hair color and it feels so liberating. Not only am I saving money, but my hair is also much healthier. 3. Nail polish. I used to have a rainbow of nail polish bottles cluttering up my bathroom. Every time I walk into a store, I convince myself I needed that new shade of pink. But here's the truth. Most of those polishes dried up before I even used them twice. These days, I prefer to keep my nails natural or get an occasional professional manicure for special events. 4. Hairstyling tools. The amount of money I've spent on hairstyling tools over the years is embarrassing. From curling irons to straighteners to those weird crimping things, I thought I needed it all. But you know what? Most of them ended up collecting dust in my drawer. I've learned to embrace my natural hair texture and found simple, heat-free styling methods that work for me. Not only has this saved me money, but my hair is so much healthier without all that heat damage. 5. Expensive face creams. Remember those fancy face creams in beautiful jars that promise to make us look 10 years younger overnight? Yeah, I fell for those too. I used to spend a small fortune on creams that claimed to do everything from erasing wrinkles to giving me the skin of a newborn baby. But here's the thing, after trying countless expensive creams, I realized that simple, affordable moisturizers often work just as well, if not better. Now I focus on a good, basic skincare routine. Did you find the video helpful so far? Please consider liking the video and type "I am a minimalist" in the comments below. And if you're ready to declutter your home, don't forget to join my 7-day declutter challenge, link in the description. 6. Perfume. I used to be a perfume addict, always on the hunt for the next best scent. My dresser was a graveyard of half-used perfume bottles, each one promising to make me irresistible. But let's be honest, how many perfumes can one person actually use? These days, I've simplified my scent game. I have one signature perfume that I love and use. Plus, there's something nice about having a consistent scent that people associate with you. 7. Facial masks. The countless nights I spent with goop on my face, hoping for a miracle. I used to buy every new facial mask that hit the shelves, convinced each one would give me perfect skin. But you know what? Most of them just left me with sticky skin and an empty wallet. Now I make my own simple face masks using natural ingredients from my kitchen. A bit of honey, some yogurt, maybe some oatmeal. My skin feels great, and I know exactly what I'm putting on it. It's cheaper, more fun, and just as effective as those store-bought masks. 8. Body scrubs. I used to love those fancy body scrubs that smelled like a tropical vacation and promised to make my skin as smooth. But when I really thought about it, I realized I was basically paying a premium for some sugar or salt mixed with oil. These days, I make my own body scrubs using ingredients from my kitchen. A little brown sugar, some coconut oil, and a few drops of essential oil, and I've got a luxurious scrub that works just as well as the expensive stuff. 9. Shaving cream. Shaving cream used to be a staple in my bathroom, but I always felt like I was running out at the worst times. Plus, those cans aren't exactly environmentally friendly. I've since discovered that good old soap or hair conditioner works just as well for shaving. It's cheaper, creates less waste, and I always have it on hand. My legs are just as smooth, and I feel good about making a more eco-friendly choice. Makeup removers. I used to buy all sorts of specialized makeup removers, ones for waterproof mascara, others for long-lasting lipstick, and so on. My bathroom cabinet was overflowing with half-used bottles, and my skin often felt irritated from all the different products. Now I use a simple oil cleansing method to remove my makeup. A bit of coconut oil or olive oil does the trick for even the most stubborn makeup, and it's gentle on my skin. 11. Store-bought sunscreen. Don't get me wrong, sun protection is super important. But I used to buy so many different sunscreens, one for my face, another for my body, yet another for sports. It was overwhelming and expensive. These days, I make my own sunscreen using natural ingredients like zinc oxide, coconut oil, and butter. It works great, I know exactly what's in it, and it's much more cost-effective. Just remember, if you decide to go this route, make sure to research proper formulation to ensure you're getting adequate sun protection. 12. Eye creams. I used to think I needed a special cream just for the delicate skin around my eyes. But after trying countless products, I realized something. Most eye creams are just glorified moisturizers in smaller, more expensive packages. Now, I simply use my regular facial moisturizer around my eyes. It works just as well, and I'm not spending extra on a product I don't really need. 13. Lip gloss. I used to be a lip gloss junkie, with tubes rolling around in every drawer. But let's be real, most of them were sticky, wore off quickly, and always seemed to attract my hair on a windy day. These days, I stick to a good lip balm for everyday use and maybe a lipstick for special occasions. It's simpler, less messy, and my lips actually feel healthier without all that gloss. Congratulations, you've made it halfway through the video. So we have a small gift from our side, which is the free 7-day declutter challenge, where you'll get daily checklists to help you declutter step by step. Plus, some exclusive bonuses to keep you motivated along the way. It's only available for a limited time, so click the link in the description or the pinned comment to join now. 14. Moisturizing body lotion. I used to have a different lotion for every occasion, one for after shower, another for bedtime, yet another for when my skin felt extra dry. My bathroom looked like a lotion store. Now I've simplified things. I use coconut oil or a simple unscented lotion for all my moisturizing needs. 15. Foundation. Foundation used to be my security blanket. I wouldn't dream of leaving the house without a full face of it. But you know what? All that heavy makeup was probably doing more harm than good to my skin. These days, I've embraced a more natural look. I focus on taking good care of my skin, and most days, I just use a tinted moisturizer or nothing at all. 16. Setting sprays. I used to think setting sprays were the holy grail of making makeup last. I'd mist my face religiously after applying makeup, convinced it was the key to a flawless look all day. But here's the truth. Most setting sprays are mostly water with a bit of alcohol. Now, I focus on proper skin prep and quality makeup application techniques. My makeup lasts just as long, and I'm not spraying unnecessary products on my face. 17. Deodorant. I used to buy whatever deodorant was on sale, not really thinking about what was in it. But when I started paying attention to ingredients, I was shocked at some of the stuff I was putting on my skin every day. 18. Bath bombs. Bath bombs were my guilty pleasure. I loved watching them fizz and turn my bathwater into a rainbow swirl. But let's be honest, they're expensive for a one-time use product, and many contain artificial dyes and fragrances that aren't great for sensitive skin. These days, I create a luxurious bath experience with Epsom salts, a few drops of essential oil, and maybe some dried flowers if I'm feeling fancy. It's just as relaxing, much cheaper, and I can customize it to exactly what my body needs that day. 19. Makeup brushes. I used to think I needed every makeup brush under the sun, and that they had to be from expensive brands. My makeup bag was overflowing with brushes I rarely used. Now I've pared down to just a few good quality, affordable brushes that I actually use regularly. I take good care of them, clean them properly, and they work just as well as the expensive ones. 20. Skin toners. Toners used to be a non-negotiable step in my skincare routine. I thought they were essential for cleaning out my pores and balancing my skin. But many commercial toners contain alcohol and other harsh ingredients that can actually dry out and irritate skin. Now, if I feel like I need a toner, I use simple, natural options like rose water or diluted apple cider vinegar. They're gentler on my skin, much cheaper, and don't come in plastic bottles. 21. Exfoliating scrubs. I used to be addicted to those gritty exfoliating scrubs, convinced I needed to scrub away every dead skin cell to reveal glowing skin. But many of these scrubs are actually too harsh and can damage your skin barrier. 22. Hair serums. I had a whole collection of them, each claiming to solve a different hair problem. But most of them just left my hair feeling greasy and weighed down. Now I use natural oils like argan very sparingly on the ends of my hair if needed. It's simpler, cheaper, and actually more effective. Plus, I'm not coating my hair in silicones and other chemicals. 23. Foot masks. Those trendy foot masks that promise to make all your dead skin peel off were so tempting. But they're expensive, often contain harsh chemicals. These days, I maintain my feet with regular moisturizing. A pumice stone in the shower and some good foot cream before bed do the trick. It's less dramatic, but much better for my feet in the long run. 24. Teeth whitening products. I'll admit, I fell for the promise of a Hollywood smile and tried all sorts of whitening products. But many of them left my teeth feeling sensitive, and the results never seemed to last. Now I focus on good oral hygiene and natural whitening methods. Oil pulling with coconut oil, using a straw for staining drinks, and the occasional baking soda treatment keep my teeth looking bright without harsh chemicals or expensive treatments. 25. Facial oils. I had oils for day, oils for night, oils for different skin concerns. But my combination skin often felt overwhelmed. These days, I've simplified my routine. If my skin needs extra moisture, I'll use a drop or two of jojoba oil, which is similar to our skin's natural sebum. There you have it. 25 things I don't buy or own for beauty or skincare. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to join my free 7-day declutter challenge to take your decluttering journey to the next level. Click the link in the description to sign up.